I reach for Jesus' hand. Immature, I look for one who knows. Out of the ground, a poem grows eye medicine. The Jesus of your spirit is inside you now. Ask that one for help, but don't ask for body things. Beloved, since you are Jesus, what a kingdom Christianity is. Jesus on his cross, Hallaj on his. Those absurd executions hold a secret. O beautiful, with his face like the sun, O Jesus, looking for ills, how fortunate is the crowd to whom you are going. Either you are entirely soul, or the Khidr of the present, or the fountain of life. That's why you're hidden from the people. Oh, the Qibla of thoughts. Oh, God's lion in the midst of the forest. Oh, guide of talents. You keep walking in the soul-like mind. What does the soul feel when Jesus heals the body? Your heart becomes merry, miraculously pregnant, and body like a 2-day-old Jesus, says wisdom words. Now the heart, which is the source of your loving, turns to universal light, and the body picks up the tempo and elegance of its motion. Do not grieve for your eye when that Jesus is yours. Do not go to the left, that he may give you to the right eyes. The Jesus of your spirit is present with you. Beg aid from him, for he is a goodly aider. But do not every moment lay on the heart of Jesus the unprofitable work of a body full of bones.